Good morning, Principles of Management students. This is Dr. Griffin. It is March 4th, 2019. This is this week's announcement via the YouTube. For this week, you start your individual project, which is actually a 2-week project. Takes us right up to spring break. Look in Unit 5 in your course materials, and you'll see some details on your individual project. But you will be preparing, a PowerPoint presentation, and it's called Insights into a Business Operating in a Foreign Country. So you need to select a U.S. company that's operating in a foreign country, do some research and select the company, and let me know as soon as possible via email which company you selected. Your PowerPoint should have 10, or Prezi, should have 10 to 12 slides with the title page and references at the end. And you'll need to submit that in Blackboard before 10 p.m. on March 17th, which is a Sunday. So again, remember this is a 2-week project taking us right up to the spring break. There are more details in Unit 5 to give you a better understanding of this project. It's called, again, Insights into a Business Operating in a Foreign Country. I've listed some guidelines there for you on how to prepare your PowerPoint or Prezi. So this will give you a chance to take a look at a U.S. company operating in a foreign country, and also to learn a little bit more about that foreign country, such as culture and other things. So this is the announcement for March 4th. Again, if you have some questions on this individual project, let me know. But remember, it's a 2-week project. Please don't wait till the last moment to prepare the assignment. It's going to take you some time to do the research. But if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call, and I'll be in touch. Thank you.